Changing the email link to your Uber account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings to enter your account settings. Step 3. Select email address. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Account or Personal Information. Tap on it and then find your current email address listed there. Step 4. Update your email. Tap on your email address to edit it. Enter your new email address and confirm it if prompted. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button and tap it to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your Uber account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for assistance.